Hello, legends. Welcome back to Rebuild, Restart, Rise, the show where we break barriers, shatter limits, and elevate to the next level of evolution. Remember when we thought adulthood meant freedom? No rules, no bedtime, just doing whatever we wanted. But reality? It's responsibilities, bills, expectations, and an endless to-do list. So why is adulthood so hard? And how do we make it easier? The overwhelming responsibilities. Adulthood throws a mountain of responsibilities at us. Finances, work, relationships, taxes, things we were never really taught in school. No wonder 77% of adults report stress due to money and work. To manage it, try time blocking your day, automating bills, and breaking big tasks into smaller steps. Decision fatigue. From what to eat to major life choices, adulthood is an endless series of decisions. The more choices we make, the worse our decision-making becomes. That's called decision fatigue. Reduce stress by creating routines. Meal prep, plan your week, and limit unnecessary choices. The less mental energy wasted, the better choices you'll make. The pressure to succeed. Social media makes us feel behind. Someone's a millionaire at 25, another owns a house at 30. Over 50% of young adults feel behind in life. But success has no deadline. Instead of comparing yourself to others, track your own progress. Focus on small wins. Loneliness and changing friendships. As kids, friendships were easy. As adults, people move, get busy, and staying connected is hard. No surprise that over 60% of adults report feeling lonely. Friendships in adulthood take effort. Reach out first, join groups, and make time for people who matter. Work-life balance, or lack of it. Hustle culture tells us to work 24/7, but burnout is real. The World Health Organization now recognizes it as an official medical condition. Set boundaries. Log off after work, take breaks, and remember, a job is important, but so is your mental health. The existential crisis. At some point, we all ask, what am I doing with my life? Society pushes a script, job, house, family, but what if that's not your path? Instead of stressing over purpose, enjoy the process. Try new things, explore, and take life one step at a time. You're not alone. Adulthood is tough, but here's the truth. No one has it all figured out. You're doing better than you think. Life isn't about perfection. It's about progress. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. And remember, keep going. You got this.